Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will see how to treat the empty cells. So the property that we are going to discuss here is empty cell. So the empty cell property tells what to do to the cell border when the cell does not have any content to display. So we can create TD, right, with empty content. And here if you see, we have a TD tag and there is no text. So here is what we will specify the text, right? TD, some text, then we will put a closing tag for the table data. And here we don't have any data, and so the empty cell property, CSS property, will tackle this situation. The empty cell takes two possible values. One is show. That means even if table data doesn't contain any data, show the border. So if we apply table border, whether we need to show it or not, that is controlled by the empty cell. And in hide value, the border will be hidden. So in our previous demo itself, we created a table and we provided a nice ridge border, right? We will use that same example to experiment this table cell property. Let's go to the demo. So to proceed with the demo, we will make some empty cells. Here we will remove the content from first cell. And you can see this is gone. We will remove the third one from the first row. And here we will remove the middle one. So if you see, the table is displaying all 6 cells, and in that 3 cells are empty, 2 in the first row and middle one in the second row. So by default table spacing, we will go with the table itself. Here we will place, so both will be applicable. Here when we place our rule in table, it will be added to this table tag, and this is contains spacing, so we can add it here as well. So since it is not a spacing related property, we are going to table. You can place it anywhere. Okay, let's go with the table, and here we are using empty cell show, and that's the default, right? So at present it is showing. We'll just keep this value and save the content. Right, now the cells are shown. The other value is hide. Right, now we will save it, and you can see the content will get removed. So using the empty cells, you can decide whether you need to show the cell border or not. So when we hide the cell border, it looks like the cell disappears, right? So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.